Okay, we are still on chapter 6, lesson C to learn, verbals. So we're just going to go over, and it's going to be on page 110. You will have to do page 111 on your own. But first I wanted to review some some definitions. So you should, after you're done diagramming and analyzing sentences, you should be doing your other page of work. So let's just go over some definitions. It says, what is a verbal? A verbal is, and if you read it with me, it will stick in your head better, okay? So what is a verbal? A verbal is a form of a verb that is used as an adjective, noun, or an adverb in a sentence, okay? What is an infinitive? An infinitive is a verbal that is used as an adjective, noun, or an adverb, and it usually starts with the word to. Remember? Okay. Let's see. So on lesson B, it has the same question. What is an infinitive? So you should write it in. If you're not sure of what the definition is, you can look in the back where the songs are, or go back to the lesson where we learned what an infinitive is, and it will define it for you. So we're going to do lesson C, page 110. And again, I'm just going to do it on my paper here because I found that to be easier to do. So to refrigerate and to store are the only reasons for the tiny electric box. So are there any prepositional phrases? And yes, it's for the tiny electric box. We have a preposition. This is the object of the preposition. And these are all adjectives, okay? Any clauses? No, there aren't any clauses. So this...
Hello, Sam.
Sorry about that. Oh my. And I'm not going to start over. I'm just going to truck on through, okay? So this sentence is, we do have conjunction. And it's a fanboy. Remember our fanboys? So it looks like we are going to have a compound subject. So to refrigerate and to store are to refrigerate and to store. You realize I'm making a video? Smile.
He's making a video for who?
My grammar class.
Oh.
And it goes on, the whole world can access my YouTube channel.
Nice.
Okay, so to refrigerate, this is a subject, and to store is a subject. Remember we said, even though the heart of this is a verb, it is acting as an activity. An activity or an event is also considered a noun. So we have to refrigerate and to store are. Well, I don't see a predicate verb, and this is not a helping verb. This is a linking verb. Am, are, is, was, were, be, being, been. And remember, there are sensory linking verbs as well. So now we have to look at reasons. Reasons, is that renaming or is it describing our subject? And here it is a predicate nominative. It is renaming our subject. And only and the are both adjectives. So now for the tiny electric box, that is an adjectival prepositional phrase. I'll use my blue one, and it's pointing up because I ran out of room. So that is modifying our reasons. We have an adjectival prepositional phrase